Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. You may have noticed in our last video that Clay and I have become big fans of Lectric's e-bikes. Today I wanted to unbox one and show you how simple they are to put together and really how little assembly is even required from these e-bikes. So today we're going to open up their XP model and I'll show you how I put it together and just going to follow pretty much basic directions. And again, I say put it together, it comes really almost pre-assembled. So we're going to open this bad boy up here. And I'm going to tell you, man, the e-bikes really do come packaged well. I mean, look at that. That's just very professional packing. They want to make sure their equipment arrives to you safely. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just remove this big, oh, here's a battery charger. Let me go and get that out of the way. Battery charger, this big piece of foam that's at the rear of the bike, we don't need that. Now this bike weighs around 65 pounds and you really should have two people if you need one, but I'm going to see if I can just muscle it up because I don't have anybody else, but I think I can do it. All right, ready? Let's see if we can just lift her right up. There. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my little cutters here. I've already removed some of the styrofoam, some of the padding and protection. Going to get this off the cup, off the seat here. Let's go ahead and get this done. All right, and then I'm just going to cut some of these zip ties here with my cutters and remove all the foam protection. By the way, if you decide you want to purchase a Lectric e-bike, we have an affiliate code down below in the description and we would truly appreciate it if you use that. It helped the channel and help us continue to bring these kinds of videos to you. Getting it all off. Off the pedals there. Yeah, like I say, they really do package these things well. Very impressed with it. Get this off. Real quick, I do want to show you this. There is an elastic little band here that sort of holds your tires together when you travel or when you transport it. So I'm going to hold on to this so we can maybe use it when we do transport it. Now I'm just going to get ready to, tell you what, let me collect all this trash before it blows around the campsite. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is just to unfold your folding e-bike. Let me step in here. I'm going to pick this bad boy up. I'm making sure I don't have any protector here. I don't. Sometimes they'll come with a protector there that you have to remove it first before closing them up from what I've seen. So we're going to close this bad boy up and then we're just going to latch it. Bam, right there. Pretty cool. All right, now I'm going to put the kickstand down. Oop. Man, they got this bad boy secure. I like it. I like it. Cut another zip tie around the handlebar. And then we're going to remove some more protection. Get that zip tie off. I don't know about y'all, but I'm very excited. Now we're just going to latch in the stem, open up the collar here, and we'll get ready to insert our handlebar. And there is a line here, a minimum insertion line right here. So we want to make sure that we stick this in at least from 0 to 8. All right. So to start with, I'm going to put it at about 2. and then I'm just going to close up the collar. All right, get the seat ready to go, turn it around. It's already, I'm gonna lock it in. You see right here, the seat's unlocked. All right. Cut off some more. Oh, there goes some of the trash, but I'll get it picked up. Stop and do that right now. Hey, this is real world unboxing right here, out in the RV park. Not in a garage. Nothing wrong with that, but hey, we're unboxing where we're going to use them, right? So, you see these tags right here? All of these tags are some kind of warning, and I'm going to take the time for just a moment to read all these before I remove them, because they apply to the area. For example, this one back here in the back, it's a warning that this rack can only hold 150 pounds. Yeah, it says right here on the bike, maximum 150 pounds on this. Right here, this one is about the seat. There's a minimum height, maximum height you can put this thing before it gets dangerous, right? So we'll adjust that a little bit later, but that's just some of them. Let's see what this one is. Warning about the battery, charging, etc. This right here is going to be one about the handlebar going into the stem here. Oh, always wear a helmet. Okay, not really a warning, just terms of purchase tag. All right, now let's talk about a few other things here. Let's see, got my charger, my keys. Let's pop the pedals out. All right, we got this little protection right here. But you can see my chain, it just arrived with the chain off. So I'm gonna see. There we go. There we go. Now then, let's get her back on. Real simple. I hope you could see that. Now we're just going to remove the plastic off of our light. We can remove our pad. Guys, that's pretty much it. We're gonna get the battery charging. Oh, one other thing I do want to show you right here in the front. I hope you can see this, but this, your display connection is not going to be plugged in because they don't want any unnecessary power drain. So right here, there's a connection, and there's two arrows. You won't be able to see it probably, but right there are two arrows. You just want to line those arrows up gently and carefully, and then just press it and close it in. You know you got it all the way in when you don't see any more green. So that will come unconnected, as did this one. I don't know if it's common for it not to be connected, but nonetheless, we're going to connect it back same way, two arrows connected in. And she is good to go. Well, there you go, guys. You see how easy it is to unbox one of Lectric's e-bikes. And I want to thank them again for sending us these bikes. Clay and I, as you may have seen in the last video, the first time we rode these, we were filming RV Unplugged down in Florida, and we had never ridden an e-bike before. So we hopped on two of their bikes, and Clay and I fell in love with them. We are definitely going to put them through their paces. We're going to hit RV parks, hit the beaches, hit old towns. We're going to have a great time on these. So thanks again, Lectric, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.